Good morning, Quadcopter 101, and I have another neat review for you. Let's see, anything else about this quadcopter? Let's go into the controller real quick. This is rate button here for beginner, intermediate, expert. This is your flip button. Press that and then tell it which direction to flip. You can calibrate the gyros of the quadcopter by bringing this stick down and this stick down and to the left, and hold it there for a few seconds while the quadcopter is on a flat level surface, and that will calibrate the gyros. It does have one key return, which is this button here, and headless mode, which is this button here. And this button here is your pitch trim, and this button here is your roll trim. So let's go straight into a flight of the H36 and see how it performs. Let's plug in its battery. Simply plug in its battery. No on-off switch on this quadcopter, and you'll see a little red light there indicating you have power to the quadcopter, and turning on the transmitter and binding the transmitter and going to the air. Now let's bring it down close where you can see it. Headless mode control, which works very well. They're thinking of the purpose of flying them indoors with FPV by just putting a little micro camera on it that are available nowadays. Little FPV micro cams that have come out, like the one for this would probably be the EF01. That would work with this. The main advantage of this quadcopter is for beginners. It's a great beginners learn to fly quadcopter, mainly because, well, it has a lot of maneuverability. This is beginner rate. That's the time here. But I think there we go. That's it.